Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making a fidget spinner. And all you'll be needing is crayon tops, a bearing, and hot glue. So let's get on to this video. So I'm just going to start hot gluing. So first what you want to do is hot glue some right there, and then put the crayon right on top of it before it dries. So I'll show you the finished result. I forgot to say you need parental supervision, but yeah, I'm done with my fidget spinner, and this is how it turned out. It's a mini fidget spinner. Not Venom. I don't want a Venom. A Venom. Look, I have purple and blue. And stay tuned for the next video, because the next video I'm going to be making is a dancing video, and then the video, and then make sure to go check out my
Instagram.
My Instagram and my Musical.ly if you have one.
Say it's gonna be in the description.
It's gonna be in the description box below, and I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, bye. Oh yeah, I mean make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.